Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to put presets in Alight Motion. To use and apply presets in Alight Motion, follow these steps. First things first, open the Alight Motion, then tap on the plus button. Then choose your preferred aspect ratio, resolution, and FPS. Then tap on Create Element. Either open a media, then tap on it where you want to apply the preset. Tap on Discover Presets. So Alight Motion offers a variety of presets. Tap on one that you preferred. Tap on Import, then tap on Apply. Then unhighlight the video. Once you've finished editing your project with the preset, you can export it by tapping the Export button in the top right corner. Choose the export settings and save your video, then tap Export. By following these steps, you can easily import and apply presets in Alight Motion, enhancing your video projects with creative effects. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.